Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace an irrigation controller. Just a basic one, basic plug-in irrigation controller. I picked this one up pretty cheap, this Hydro Rain 4-station outdoor controller. You can put it outside or inside, it does come with a cover. Other things in the box are the mounting hardware, a set of basic keys, zone indicator card, and of course the owner's manual. And that's basically it. Okay, so it's pretty easy. So open up your controller, make note of your wires that you have in there, all the colors and where the wires go. Remember to make sure to unplug the timer and then go ahead and just start taking the wires out. And there we go. Now that the wires are out of the way, go ahead and take the timer right off the wall. Then you want to bring in your brand new timer and just sort of start fitting it up, see if it's going to work and see how the old wires line up. Are your wires long enough to make them fit? Now's a good time to start preparing to move some stuff if you need to. For me, it was easy just to reuse the same screw in the wall. Most timers you can just hang and then look for a secondary hole where you can put a screw in. Feed in your old wires to the new controller and then wire them up the same way you had the old one, and then that's all you really need to do. You can pause the video now and do that real quick, and then we'll continue in a second. But there's not much left really, so I mean, you can just go ahead and watch the rest of the video, I guess. Maybe now you realize you should have wrote down the program before you unplugged it, but so just reset the timer. That's all we're doing here for a basic watering schedule. Do that, run a test, go outside and see if the controller is actually communicating with the valves, and that's basically all you need to do to replace a timer. Thanks for watching.